So today we will be discussing about appointment actions. Down below in the navigation bar on the platform, you can find for App Marketplace here and find for appointment actions. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on the agency or any of your specific location. I'm choosing the available location at the moment. And in the right bottom, you can find for allow and install. Yeah, you can see that it is successfully installed into your selected location, and let's just move towards our that location. Here we are in the location at the moment, and you can see in the navigation bar you can find for automations, and here you can see the create workflow start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder. We have to just create a new action. Here click on the plus button and find for appointment actions. Here it is. Let's just create a format in Date to create appointments. Here you have to enter the date format, the year first, then the month, then the date, and the time as well. Save this action, and let's just create some notes with that. Appointment actions, the status here. Let's just add some text with that. Save this action as well. Now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact. Now we will be heading towards the execution logs. As you can see, it is successfully executed and with the notes. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.